I am Vinod Kumar. Today I am gonna talk about MMM rules and ideology. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is not a bank, is not a company, is not a financial community. It doesn't have the accounts where participants have to transfer money to. MMM is a social network that connects people who want to donate money whenever they can, whenever they need it. Members transfer money directly to each other. That means there is no central account. Relations between participants of MMM are built, not contracts or any obligations, but it is on trust and mutual respect. The founder of MMM, Sergey Mavrodi, having a degree in mathematics, he worked as a programmer and was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. How does MMM work? MMM is a community of people providing help to each other. The idea is very simple. One participant asks for help and another helps. That's it. Very easy. But MMM is not allow multiple counts. MMM participants cannot apply family members count and participants use spare money to contribute because there is no guarantee that your money will be returned. There is no guarantee in MMM. So use only spare money that you have without any risk. MMM uses Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency created and held electronically. No one controls it. Bitcoins aren't printed. It's like dollars or euros or whatever the currency is in the world. Why we use Bitcoin? As you know, MMM is worldwide. Many countries join this system. They should have central currency to exchange in this system. That's why we use Bitcoin. Also, Bitcoin, there is no institution control Bitcoin network. And now give you more information about MMM. MM is global and widespread. Yeah, 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and $14 billion assistant provided help. Next is MMM benefits to their participants. Registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of, for example, 50 between $50 to $499. Bonus will be $20 bonus, and if $500 to 2099 999 the participant will get $50. More than 3,000, bonus will be $100. Next is personal growth. From 20% to 100%. System uses same system as bank. If you provide help, you do nothing, in 1 month you will get 20%. For example, you provide help $100, at the end of the month you will get $20 as extra interest, 20% per month. If you doing extra program, then you will get 100% per month, that is $200 at the end of the month. Next is referral bonus. Participants can invite people, will get 10% more. The system doesn't enforce people, invitee and other people to join in the system, but understanding network as well. Participants actually encouraged people in the form of referral bonuses, motivate many people to take an active position, and then the system only can stay. Now, manager bonus. Managers can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation by 5% from the first level and next level, and then he will get 5% from the first level, 3% from the second level, 1% from the third level, and so on, level to infinity. If you interested in Global, please join us at www.mmglobal.org. Thank you.